college life plays significant role in every individual's life. We can also say that the college life is one of the finest chapters of book of our life. College is meant to bring personality development, intellectual skills, moral ethics, and moreover, it is an experience that can be either good or bad depending on you. However, it can be a very fun experience with lots of good memories.
Hello everyone, I am Bhargaram Mupraju, pursuing BTech in the Department of CSE at RVRNJC College of Engineering, Chodavaram. Now I am here to explain few words about our college. In our college, we have separate blocks for each branch. Now I am here in front of the cyber block for the CSE department.
The department has modern laboratories to serve the teaching and research needs of the student and faculty members. The laboratories of the department have substantial computing resources that include the latest hardware and software. The laboratories are equipped with the computers of latest configuration procured from MNCs. Our department has excellent infrastructure to support the teaching learning process. A new training facility named eClassroom was developed in the year 2009. The eClassroom is one of a kind training facility which has one dedicated computer terminal for each participant. The latest equipment required for video conferencing and remote lecture delivery are available in the eClassroom. The department also maintains a dedicated lab for improving the communication skills of the student.
Our CSE department is well supported in academics by qualified and experienced faculty. Faculty members of the department actively pursue research in their respective areas and publish research papers in renowned journals. Apart from these, we are also provided with IoT laboratories, which allows students to learn direct integration between physical world and computer-based systems. In our department, we have very well furnished seminar halls which can accommodate more than 200 students at a time.
ACM, the Association of Computing Missionary. The main aim of the ACM student chapter is to educate, encourage and enrich the students' talent and expanding their views working on different and latest technologies and different codes. It is a platform that creates confidence in students and make them mentally and physically strong. It creates a vision and exposure in students' life and helps them to develop leadership qualities as well as it teaches you to work collectively and also improves your communication skills and teaches you to be ethical at workplace.
The college and the department are well served by the Central Library. The Central Library has more than 5,000 titles related to computer science and engineering discipline.
I am doing my undergrad in computer science department. I would like to share my experiences. The branch has tried its back hard to fetch me a proper package and everything, which included me these 4 years of my journey from 2017 to 2021, and providing many lab facilities like we have IoT lab and we have the normal day-to-day labs for working out with the lab activities parallel to our subjects.
Students of this department are working in top MNCs like TCS, CTS, Infosys, Oracle, Accenture, IBM, Wipro, Cisco, etc.
We are very proud to say that we are not only masters in academics but also champions in sports, cultural activities and many events.
I'm proud to be RVR JCM.
Proud to be RVR JC.
Proud to be RVR JC.
RVR JC. RVR JC.
RVR JC. RVR JC.
RVR JC.